Okay, folks, I'm sorry. We need to decide if these two prisms are similar. That means if we take this small one and we make it bigger, right, we just stretch it out, do I get the same shape as this bigger one? Okay? And there is one easy way to figure this out. We need to write three fractions. Catherine, you want to talk me through this? You got your hand up. What do you think?
So, if you take one of the numbers and see...
Let's take 9.
Okay, and if you look over on the other one,
Yeah.
it's
18. All right, that's good. Okay.
And so then you take 10.
I'm going to take 10 now and put it with what?
20.
20. Okay, so I've got 10 over 20. All right.
And then
And then what?
8 over 16.
All right, I need a little more room here. And now you take 8 and put it over 16. All right, so now I've done that. Now what do I do from here? Raise your hand if you can tell me what you think I should do from here. Pace, what do I do?
They all reduce to 1/2.
They all reduce to 1 over 2, or 1/2. Now, since they all reduce to the same fraction, these two solids are similar. They are similar. Okay? That's what they wanted us to do. Show that they are similar, and they are similar because all three of these fractions reduce to the same thing. That's how I know that they are similar. Now let me ask you something. I want to change something for just a second. Of course I want to change something. Okay? Now, let's say that all of this was exactly the same except this was 30. So that means that I would get 9 over 18, that's the first one, okay? But then the second one would be 10 over 30 instead of 10 over 20, okay? So that would give us 10 over 30. And then the last one is still 8 over 16. This one reduces to 1/2. What does this one reduce to, Paris?
1/3.
1/3. And now this last one still reduces to 1/2. Are these shapes, or are these solids similar, Ian? No, they're not, because they did not reduce all to the same fraction. They all have to reduce to the same fraction. Does that make sense, Christina? Does that make sense, Reagan? Sam, does that make sense? Good, let's look at the next example. Nice job.